G'day, I'm Paul. This is a Ferrari 296 GTB, and that is a 488 Pista. In case you don't know, Ferrari has gone from 8-cylinder to 6 in this generation with hybrid assistance, still rear-wheel drive though. Albors, tell us about the 488.
Mate, this is not just a 488, this is a 488 Pista Spider, so this is like the ultimate track version as a convertible. It is a twin-turbo V8. I absolutely love this car, and I'm pretty confident that given my extra 2 cylinders and similar weight, I'm going to beat you.
God, it looks good. All right, just in case you don't know, this is a regional airport runway, so the surface here isn't great. The acceleration numbers you see won't kind of match what you've seen on prep surfaces, so don't go smashing your keyboard too hard when you see some of these numbers. All right, let's get right into this, Albors. Megan, count us in. Whoa. Oh my God, this is moving.
Come on. Come on. How is that thing faster than a twin turbo V8?
Holy crap.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, that is otherworldly. I do not have words. That is stupidly fast.
I don't understand how you won. I'm in a twin turbo V8. You're in a 6-cylinder little hybrid for a hairdresser, so it's very confusing.
And I also just had no traction off the line. Like, I'm gonna just go out on a limb here and say this feels almost as quick as the SF90. Like in a straight line, it is unbelievably fast.
Let's just try that again. I'm gonna turn everything off, and we're gonna try that one more time.
Well, they do need to plough the fields here, so when you leave the road and end up in a tree, that will do wonders for the local community here. All right, you got your mode set up, Albors?
I sure do. Let's go.
The mode is hopes and dreams. Megan, count us in. Again, no traction, but that's all right.
Come on, that was a bit better. That was a bit better. That was a bit better. Come on, come on, come on.
We are moving. There it is.
Oh my God, how is that thing pulling away?
That was much closer just then.
That was really close, but I am just amazed that that car with less cylinders is pulling away at higher speed. That blows my mind. That electric stuff must be really helping.
Yeah, because I feel like when I leave the line, the traction control system is limiting wheel slip. Once it hooks up, I think the engineers have just gone through and got the perfect amount of power before this thing loses traction. It is like a degree of a percentage of more power, and this would be all over the shop.
Yeah, I thought that because we were so close, as the speeds built up, I would just fly away, but you actually flew away, which was just bizarre to me. That car is not an Artura competitor. That's not a McLaren Artura competitor. That car is way quicker.
It is. It's just stupid. Absolutely stupid. Let's do a rolling race and let's see how we go here, because maybe that is a much older traction control system. Maybe it will change things if we're moving at the same speed. So let's see what happens. Now, the rules are 30 k's an hour. And when we get to the white line, both of us, we then both accelerate. I'm just going to be in first and we'll see what happens, but let's give this a shot. Manage gear shifts and throttle here as well. All right, full throttle now. Wow. Now. That was closer, but still, I fed in the throttle at the start there, and it just started walking.
Yeah, I really don't want to love this new generation of hybrid cars, but boy, are they proving me wrong. That is literally a case study that a 6-cylinder hybrid is quicker than a twin-turbo V8. You know, same brand. Yeah, it's a bit depressing, actually.
But you know what? To be honest, yeah, okay, I can go buy a Tesla, insert whatever name here, and it's probably faster than these to 100. But I just don't think that's the point. I would still much rather have a V8. You've obviously got the hairdresser's convertible version, but you would still have a V8. I just don't care that this is quicker, to be honest. I'd still love the sound of that and the look of that as well.
Yeah, but you know what though? That car actually sounds pretty good. If anything, I actually think the 296 sounds better than the 488. But ultimately though, I think you've proven that that is the faster car.
Now, I'm going to be quiet. We're going to go to some timed runs where I don't say anything. And as a reminder, we are on a regional airport runway. So the times you see here won't be anything compared to a prep surface, but they will be all benchmarked against each other. So there you go. We have shown you that a new Ferrari is faster than an old Ferrari. So no surprise there. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was good fun to make, both very red and very nice. We have a lot of other videos on our channel, so make sure you check those other drag races out. Big shout out to our mate Lawrence as well for helping us with loaning these vehicles from his collection. Thank you also to the town of Wildcatcham for having us here. This is a ripper joint. If you want a good palmy and a beer, come and visit this place. Come and visit the airport. Take a photo out the front there. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you like it and share it. But until next time, take it easy.